Okay, so now that we are through with the description, the characteristics, and let's say the discussion of descriptive research, we are now ready to proceed to its different types. So previously, we identified or we generally identified descriptive research as a research that aims to describe and evaluate things, relationships, methods, and processes as a whole. So that is descriptive research. Now, actually, descriptive research is still subdivided into different types. Okay? So it is still subdivided into different types. However, I will not further discuss each of the different types of descriptive research, as this one must be discussed in your practical research 2 in your grade 12. Okay? So, we will just, let's say, give you an overview of the different types of descriptive research. So, the first one, or the first type of descriptive research, is descriptive survey. Okay? Descriptive survey. So, descriptive survey, meaning to say, this is the survey research. Okay? So, that is the first type. So, descriptive survey aims to know the extent to which the different conditions can be obtained or applied to the subject. Okay? So, I will not further discuss it more because in our next video presentation, we will be discussing the survey research as presented in your grade 8 module. Okay? So, number 2, we have descriptive normative survey. Descriptive normative survey. Okay? So, descriptive normative survey aims to describe, other sources of processes, okay, for a specific problem. Then, these other sources of processes for a specific problem, so meaning to say an alternative solution for a specific problem, will be compared to the norms. Okay? And when we say norms, the norms are the usual processes, the normal things. So it will be compared to this. So for example, we have the alternative polite words because our norm is to use po and opo. So in descriptive normative survey, you will conduct a survey of what other alternative words you can use besides po and opo. Something like that. Okay? So number 3, we have descriptive status. Descriptive status. So descriptive status, it aims to describe answers or explanations behind real-life situations. Okay? So, it aims to describe, answers and explanations behind real-life situations. Okay? So, that is descriptive status. Number 4, we have descriptive classification. Descriptive classification. So, as the name suggests, okay, descriptive classifications aims to compare different subjects, then classify them into groups. So, it aims to compare and classify subjects. When we say subjects, the variables. Okay? So, descriptive classification. Then, number 5, we have descriptive comparative. Okay? Descriptive comparative. So, descriptive comparative, from the name itself, compare, or comparative, as the name suggests, it aims to compare and contrast, and also to evaluate two variables that are not manipulated. So meaning to say, descriptive comparative is the causal comparative. Causal comparative research. Okay? Next, we have number 6. We have descriptive evaluative. So descriptive evaluative, it aims to evaluate processes or methods, then pick out which method serves best. Okay? So descriptive evaluative, this is actually the evaluation research. So this evaluation research, it was discussed already. Okay, it was discussed already in our previous video presentations. Okay? Then number 7, we have descriptive analysis. So in descriptive analysis, it aims to describe relationships. Okay, it aims to describe relationships in an analytical way. So meaning to say, descriptive analysis is the analytical research. Okay? Analytical research is previously discussed in our discussion already, in our previous video presentations. Okay? Analytical research and holistic research. So that is descriptive analysis. Next, number 8, we have correlative. So correlative can be also called correlational survey. Okay? So this one, in correlative survey, it aims to determine whether the relationship between the variables is positive, negative, or let's say neutral. Okay? Meaning to say, it describes the relationship as a whole. Describes relationship. So meaning to say, correlative survey is correlational research. And lastly, we have longitudinal survey. Actually, longitudinal survey research is under descriptive survey. Okay? Also, this descriptive normative survey. Another one is the cross-sectional survey. So, those three will fall under survey research or descriptive survey research. So, we will discuss it even further in our next video presentations. So, meaning to say, different types of descriptive research can further, let's say, digest, or let's say it can further chunk the bigger aims of descriptive research into several specific aims. Okay? Because descriptive research as a whole aims to describe, determine, and evaluate things, relationships, methods, processes, population phenomenon, etc., etc. So, in order for us to dissect each, let's say, each processes or each things or each variables to be described, descriptive research is, let's say, classified into different types. Okay? It is further classified into different types. And including in those different types is the survey research, causal comparative research, evaluation research, and correlational research, which is all present in your grade 8 research 2 module. So in our next video presentation, we will discuss to you one of the types of the descriptive research, which is the survey research.